if you're experiencing low performance on your Xbox Series X, there are several steps you can take to enhance its speed and efficiency. Follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Clear cache. To clear the cache, power off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Unplug the power cable from the console, wait for a minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. This process can help refresh the system and improve performance. Step 2. Manage storage. Check your storage space by going to Settings, System Storage. Delete any unused games, apps, or media files to free up space. A full hard drive can slow down performance, so aim to keep at least 20% of your storage free. Step 3. Update system software. Ensure your console is running the latest software. Go to Settings, System Updates and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve system performance. Step 4. Optimize game settings. Adjust the settings for individual games by accessing the Game Options menu. Lowering graphics settings or turning off features like motion blur can help improve frame rates and overall performance. Step 5. Use a wired connection. For the best online gaming experience, connect your Xbox Series X to the internet via an Ethernet cable instead of relying on Wi-Fi. A wired connection typically offers more stability and faster speeds, reducing lag during gameplay. By following these steps, you can enhance the performance of your Xbox Series X and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.